Let's see if we can remember our sounds from last time. What about this one?
No.
That's right. What about this one? Absolutely right. And this one? That's right. Watch me, please. Perfect. And we've got a new sound today. This one.
TV.
That's right. It's
TV.
well done. So, should we see if we can put these sounds onto the train again? So, we've got a few carriages. Here's our carriage. And So, here's our first picture. Pie. Which carriage does that go in? Pie. Is it Do you think it's tie? No, let's try again. Pie. Well done, perfect. Let's do another. Ooh, sandwich. Sandwich, that's perfect. Well done. Next one. What word is it? That's right. What word is it?
Sun.
Sun, well done. And what about this one? Teddy. Where does he go?
I have a snow leopard.
What does it start with?
I have a snow leopard at home.
A teddy? Well, that's right. It starts with cha-cha-cha.
We have 4 different things.
What about this one? Nose.
I thought that was an ear.
No, it's a nose. What does it start with? Listen. Nose. Is it
Snow.
Nose. That's right. What about tea?
My mummy has a cup of tea every day.
Tea. Perfect. You put it in the carriage. Well done. I'm going to give you 3 pictures, Jonty, and I want to see if you can tell which ones start with the same sound. So,
Spade.
let me tell you what we've got. Peg, toys, tail. Which 2 have got the same sound at the start? Tail, toys, peg.
Tail and peg.
Tail and peg, you've got tail and toys. That's right. Because they both start with
And also, why does
the arrow is pointing to his tail.
Yeah, but it looks like it is
Should we do another one?
yeah.
Okay. Here's our words. Sand,
Sandbox.
nappy,